Of all the things in the world, of all the things that a human being can do, why yoga? Someone sings a song, someone dances, someone writes a book. Everything that you do, everything that you say, everything that comes out of you is essentially an expression of who you are. Yoga, in that way, is diametrically opposite. It is not an expression, it is a method, it is a means, it is a technology through which you can change the very shape of who you really are, changing the very fundamentals of one's existence.
वृत्तयः पञ्चतयः क्लिष्टाक्लिष्टः प्रमाण विपर्यय विकल्पनिद्रा स्मृतयः प्रमाण विपर्यय विकल्पनिद्रा स्मृतयः।
Patanjali's Yoga Sutras start in a strange way, and now yoga with half a sentence. Such a great document on life starts with half a sentence. If you still believe with money everything will be okay, if you still believe with a new house or a car everything will be okay, if you still believe by getting married or unmarried everything will be okay, it is not yet time for yoga. You have seen all this and you know it does not really transform you. This realization that all this activity can give us opportunities to find different sort of expressions to who we are, but they are not tools for transformation. And now, yoga.
प्रत्यक्षानुमानागमाः प्रमाणानि प्रत्यक्ष अनुमानागमाः प्रमाणानि विपर्ययः मिथ्याज्ञानम् अतद्रूपप्रतिष्ठम् शब्दज्ञानानुपाति वस्तुशून्यः विकल्पः अभाव प्रत्यय आलम्बना वृत्तिनिद्रा अनुभूतविषया असम्प्रमोषः स्मृतिः अभ्यास वैराग्याभ्यां तन्निरोधः योगश्चित्तवृत्तिनिरोध तदा द्रष्टुः स्वरूपे अवस्थानम् वृत्ति वृत्तिसारूप्यमितरत्र वृत्तिसारूप्यमितरत्र।
Who you are right now is a certain form, physical, mental and energy form. If you want to transform, and now yoga